A Facebook face-off over Facebook. The BJP MP Nishikant Dubey wants Shashi Tharoor removed as the panel chief. Mr. Dubey wrote to the Lok Sabha Speaker earlier today saying that Shashi Tharoor had to go as the standing committee chief because his tenure has been controversial. He tried to push through a conversation on Facebook by calling in representatives of Facebook, and there was no agreement on that. And also that Mr. Tharoor speaks in a Spencerian English in a foreign accent. He doesn't give freedom to disregard parliamentary institutions. Now, Dubey and Tharoor had earlier filed breaches of privilege motions against each other, and the big story that's coming in now, irrespective of Mr. Dubey's protests, it appears now that Facebook representatives will be called because it's been notified by the parliamentary committee. Joining us to look at this, Mahua Moitra, the Lok Sabha MP, also a member of this parliamentary committee. Dr. Nasir Hussain of the Congress, also a member. And Lalitha Kumaramangalam, member of the BJP. Mahua, let me come to you first. Were you aware of the fact that on the 2nd of September, representatives of Facebook have been called, irrespective of how the BJP may feel about it?
Yes, of course. This is something that we wanted. I mean, it is what is strange here is, Vishnu, any right-thinking member of the IT committee, whether they're a member of the BJP, the DMK, or the Trinamool, or the Congress, will want, given in the face of such allegations against Facebook, everyone's questions may be different. I mean, for example, the BJP's questions could well be, why isn't Facebook right-wing enough? But they're welcome to do that. But to disagree on calling somebody in, I don't see what the problem is. There are three issues here, Vishnu. The first is that Mr. Dubey is misrepresenting the issue. He's saying that it is outside Mr. Tharoor's jurisdiction. That's not true. The rules of the committee are very straight. You cannot call anyone outside of an agreed agenda. Now, the agreed agenda is the same agenda under which Anurag Thakur, who was the head of the committee under the last standing committee, he was a BJP head, he called Jack Dorsey of Twitter under the same agenda. This is the same agenda that has been approved by the Speaker, bulletinized and agreed on by everybody. So there's nothing on that. Once the agreement has been done, that the agenda has been agreed on, it is up to the chairman to decide who and when to call.
Okay, let me ask Lalitha Kumaramangalam this. Ma'am, what is the problem with the BJP actually discussing the Facebook issue? And now that it has gone through, that a notification has been formally mentioned, what does the NDA, the BJP plan to do?
First of all, I'm sure you'd have heard the story that one swallow doesn't make a summer. Nishikant Dubey may have had his reservations, which he had every right to express. In a democracy, whatever procedures may be, every member of a committee, even a parliamentary standing committee, has the right to express their opinions. And people may not agree with each other, but well, it is a democracy. And now that a summons has been issued to Facebook to appear on the 2nd of September, I don't see why, I don't see what is the problem that other people from other parties may have. Perhaps it was, not perhaps, I'm sure that
but
it
ma'am,
was,
that's an interesting point. Are you suggesting the BJP is now okay?
1 minute. Can I finish, please? Let me finish. I don't know why you'll always interrupt me so much. Please let me finish. 30 seconds, I'll be done. Now, it is probable that there was some discussion that was held. Okay. I'm not a member of the committee, so I cannot say that with 100% certainty. But I do know that everybody's opinions and everybody's, what every party had wanted to say must have been taken on board. And the chairman of the committee must have decided that, yes, we must call Facebook. So Facebook has been called.
Okay, so one moment. Let's try and get an answer to that question. Apparently, a possible discussion which would have been held between the BJP, the NDA and the Congress. Dr. Nasir Hussain, are you aware of any such thing, any behind-the-scenes effort at resolving the differences so that, irrespective of what Mr. Dubey said, Facebook would still be called?
Vishnu, I think there's no need of having any backroom discussions to resolve this issue, because there's no issue at all. As Mahua Mitra, my colleague in the committee, has mentioned, that agenda has already been decided. It is actually decided in the first meeting of the year, which has already been done. Number two, the chairman is well within its rights to call anybody to appear in front of the committee, and that is the practice, not since decades, that is the practice. So the chairman, in the interest of the public, since the Wall Street Journal has mentioned about the Facebook issue, so I think he has called Facebook representatives because of that.
So
It is an important
that's
issue.
a matter of
It is there in public domain. On the
interpretation,
same issue, Anurag Thakur had also in 2018 invited the representatives
Yes,
of Twitter and
so
Facebook at
therefore-
that time.
therefore
And the
there is
Facebook
precedent.
representatives were
I
already
take that
there in
argument.
this committee earlier also.
But just one moment, Moa Moitra, I'm still, I mean, I can get into Rule 276 and what it says, but I'm just trying to understand, how did this change? There was a vicious fight even earlier today. There were reactions from various parties. There was an effort, a complaint sent to the speaker saying that Shashi Tharoor had to go. Ms. Om Birla was informed. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore also jumped into this and said it was unacceptable, and by the evening it's changed. How has it
I'll tell you
changed?
what must have happened. Vishnu, I think I'll tell you what must have happened. This is only, I'm only surmising, but I don't think I will be very far from the truth. I think what must have happened is Mr. Dubey and a few of his colleagues, like Lalita ji said, might have got a little too excited and shot off all these letters. After that, Facebook is a big company. Facebook has US shareholders. Mark Zuckerberg, who's the head of Facebook, has come out publicly against Kapil Mishra. We have had information from ex-Facebook employees that have come and told us that in question-answer sessions on Fridays with Zuck, which any employee could ask questions, these questions were indeed raised. And Mark Zuckerberg, not for once, agreed with this idea that hate posts shouldn't be taken down. He did say that these posts should be taken down, and he was aware of this issue. So I don't think, I mean, let the BJP, leaving what the BJP may think, I think what must have happened over the past 2 days is Facebook certainly doesn't want to get into any sort of, as they say, panga with the Indian public, which is their biggest market, frankly, because in China they're not there. So I don't think they want to lose the public battle, which they are. I don't think they want to lose public perception. I don't think at the end of the day they're going to be batting behind a public policy head who has publicly gone and privately now been quoted as having done things which are outside of standard operating protocol. So they must have said, you know what, if we've got to do what we've got to do, we'll do the right thing.
All right.
So I hope better senses prevailed in Facebook, and that's what happened. And the BJP, some of them, I say Lalita ji is making absolute sense, so I have nothing against her. But Mr. Dubey must have overshot his brief, and it's happened in
So
the past.
Lalita ji, is that what has
happened?
happened? Has Nishikant Dubey overshot his brief? And
it's
do you
true.
now welcome the fact that the allegations which have been raised in this particular area, that some people in Facebook were sympathetic towards the BJP and some leaders, and the comments which they made which were not taken down, this entire issue will be resolved? Does the BJP look forward to this issue being
Well, I
resolved?
hope that the issue will be resolved, but let's be very clear about one thing. If we want to talk bluntly and want to talk the truth, Facebook does have its biases. All social media is extremely vituperative, is the best word I could think of. I mean, according to me, all social media is very biased, either one way or the other, at one time or the other. Now, those who are on social media need to accept this, and often, yes, sometimes people overreact. Now, I don't know who overreacted and who didn't. According to me, personally, if you ask me, and I'm not saying that as a member of the BJP, everybody overreacts now and then. It's quite possible it happened this time. Now, and that these overreactions have nothing to do with procedures, etc., as Mohua ji is trying to make it out to be. Nor is it that I said that anybody is wrong and anybody is right. The fact is that today, Facebook has been called. What will happen at that meeting, we don't know. I don't think we need to jump the gun and say this is what
Okay, so
Facebook
that's
may
fair.
say or
And
not
I don't
say.
think anybody wants to
And
jump the gun.
just
They
one
want a
more
fair
point.
hearing. That's the only
No,
thing.
just one more point. What is discussed often in private is not what happens in an official meeting. Let's be clear there. Many executives in Facebook also may have their likes and dislikes. Everybody, after all, is a human. And in India, I mean, 3.36 billion people, everybody has an opinion. Some may feel they're right, some may feel they're wrong. So I think we should wait and see what happens on 2nd September. Nishikant Dubey had a right to make his opinion public. He made it. The chairman of the standing committee has made his decision. A summons has been issued to Facebook.
Okay.
That's also been done.
Okay,
Now, let's wait
there's
and see
another
what
angle in
happens
this
on
which
2nd
actually
September.
emerged today. I wanted to ask Dr. Hussain about this. The allegations against Manish Tiwari, which were made by the BJP, saying that there were lobbyists who were working for him, and how is it that he's asked Facebook representatives to speak to his lobbyists in the United States? Of course, he has replied about this, but would you like to jump in over here on how this entire Facebook controversy now seems to involve allegations on Congress leaders and lobbyists in the United States?
See, I don't know what has happened in Manish Tiwari's issue, but the fact remains that now, since the BJP is in the dock, since they know, everyone knows that Nishikant Dubey has exceeded his brief, it is not the chairman who has exceeded his powers. Chairman is well within his route. He is, according to the practice, he has summoned the Facebook representatives. I think there's nothing wrong in it. It is Nishikant Dubey who has gone public and he has exceeded his brief. He should have returned to the speaker instead of going to the public, because parliamentary committees are an extension of parliament, and whatever we discuss in the committees are confidential. This he has actually breached, and Shashi Tharoor is well within his powers to file a breach of privilege motion, and I think he has filed the breach of privilege with the speaker. Now, the point here is, why is the BJP so scared of this case being with the Facebook representatives? This is not the first time we are inviting him. Why are they trying to stifle democracy?
All right, well, look, I think one way or the other there will be a discussion. It's ended up being a fairly...
Why are they scared?
Yeah, I will, ma'am. I will. 30 seconds to you, Mrs. Kumaramangalam. 30 seconds to you, Mohua Moitra. After that, Lalita ji, go ahead.
First, do I sound scared?
No, you don't, but answer the point, yes.
One. Secondly, according to the gentleman from the Congress, Nishikant Dubey has overstepped his boundaries.
Not you, ma'am, the members on the committee.
Has or not. Please don't interrupt me, sir. I had the courtesy not to interrupt you even when you were bad-mouthing my party, so let me finish. Now, secondly, Nishikant Dubey has written to the speaker. Nishikant Dubey has written to the speaker. He may have also spoken to the press. I don't know how the press has got wind of all of this, but well, that's part of your job, so you've done your job. Now, I am not saying anybody is right and anybody is wrong. I was very clear about that. I'm not a member of that committee. I'm not a member of parliament. So it's not up to me to make these qualitative judgments because of my political leanings. The fact is that what has happened, and now there has been a summons that's gone. If Nishikant Dubey has written to the speaker has in his wisdom probably taken a decision. I don't know. I don't think any of us know.
Should he have withdrawn the letter?
My point is that there have been disagreements in several standing committees of parliament. This is not the first time it's happened. It's not going to be the last time it's happened.
I'm sorry, Mohua. I'm just completely out of time on this, and I can't come to you at this stage. I'd like to thank you all very much for joining us. September the 2nd, Facebook representatives will have to answer some tough questions.